Need to disable Fingerprint Unlock on your Android phone? This quick guide will show you the exact steps to turn it off in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Settings page. You can find it on your home screen, in the app drawer, or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Next, scroll through the Settings menu and tap Lock Screen and AOD. On some Android phones, especially those running different versions of Android or custom interfaces, this option may instead appear as security and privacy. Once you're inside, look for Screen Lock and Biometrics, or if you're using another device, you may need to tap Lock Screen followed by Fingerprints. For security reasons, your phone will ask you to verify your identity before allowing you to change biometric settings. Enter your current screen lock PIN, password or pattern to continue. After authentication, tap Fingerprints to access the fingerprint management settings. Here you'll see the option labeled Fingerprint Unlock. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature off. Once the toggle is disabled, your phone will no longer allow fingerprint authentication to unlock the device. Instead, you'll need to use your PIN, password or pattern whenever you unlock your phone. Keep in mind that disabling Fingerprint Unlock doesn't delete your saved fingerprints. If you decide to use fingerprint unlocking again in the future, you can simply return to the same settings and turn the feature back on without re-registering your fingerprints, unless you've removed them manually. And that's it! You've successfully turned off Fingerprint Unlock on your Android phone.